What's up, guys? Jason here, Epic Evolution, here at New Addiction Tattoo Studio in Seneca, South Carolina. So check it out. This is an XO. I have the boxes and all that stuff. You guys, I've posted a couple videos about them, so I'm not going to get into all the squabbles. Like, yes, I have XO and I have a Flux. My XO is a 3.2 millimeter. My Flux is a 4.0, obviously, because it's fixed. The XO does come in 3.2, 2.5, and 4.0, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, this is just a quick tutorial. So obviously the power bolt comes off. I just want to show you guys how to wrap it, and this time you can see me fully this time. So check it out, guys. A little piece of barrier wrap. It's cut in half. I lay it over the tip of this thing, right there where the cup's at. Take your finger, push it down. It's really simple. Okay, these machines require special bags because normal clipboard bags won't work on them, so they require special bags. So I have ordered Big Boss bags from FK Irons or Painful Pleasures. Take the bag, cut it about 8 inches, give or take. Tie a knot in the end of it, like that. So that end's sealed, guys. All right, open your other end. Drop your machine down in there. Okay, fold over the top. So all you gotta do is fold it over. Get your athletic wrap. You just see me get it out my drawer. Take the athletic wrap and you wrap it around this machine. You're gonna try to keep the end of it as tight as you can. And that's that, guys. The machine's wrap is completely protected. When you take your needle out of the package, you open your needle and you take the tip. Obviously it's a cartridge, so the needle's not touching anything. Take your cartridge and pop that. I'm going to show you demonstration wise with scissors so that you guys understand. So you take your needle out of the package, your cartridge out of the package, and you take it and you just do like that, and then you flip it over, put it in, twist it, adjust to your needle depth, and you're good to go. I don't recommend scissors because it's not sanitary. Obviously the cartridges they're individually wrapped, they're sterile, so I would recommend that. So anyway, guys, that's how you wrap this Flux machine. The XO is exactly the same. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. And then taking it apart, when you got, after, you know, obviously you snap your needle out, throw your needle in your sharps container. Simply, I usually take a paper towel and I grab right here, because I usually have clean gloves on when I've got to this point. So I'll grab right here, I'll pull down, grab my finger, pull down, grab my finger. This glove is clean, obviously, because nothing's touched the machine up here. And simply pull off, pull that off, lay my machine down. Done, guys. That simple. Hope that was helpful. Thanks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be a lot more coming soon. I'm really getting the hang of this XO now, so I'm ready to start putting videos out. It took me a little while to get used to it. The machine runs so good that it, like, man, it's crazy. That's all I can say. FK Irons, you did a hell of a job with the XO and the Flux. Thanks. I wish the app worked, but you know, it is what it is, man. The machine's great quality. Love you guys. Thanks for that. You're always on time when I message you guys, so send replacement parts out fast. Appreciate it. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of my artwork here soon. Appreciate it, man.